Hi everyone, welcome into this week's My Weekly CBS Fix. This week's video is dedicated to Uriah and Karina Kestner. Mazel tov to you on your chasana. May you build a bayit ne'aman b'Yisrael. And this week's parasha, the pasuk says, the verse says, "Va'asisa sakrashim lamishkan atzei shitim omdim." You shall make the planks for the tabernacle. They should be atzei shitim, which means acacia wood. Omdim, they should be standing upright. So the Torah over here is telling us the different details about everything that went into building the Mishkan, and part of it were the walls. So the question I want to share with you is a two-part question. First of all, why does the Torah have to tell us specifically atzei shitim? What does Hashem want specifically? It should be acacia wood. And secondly, why does it have to say that it has to be omdim, standing upright? Of course, I mean, most walls stand upright. So what's the Torah adding by omdim? And the Talmud asks this question, Talmud in Yoma 72b or A, I don't remember. But if you want, you can look it up. So over there, there's different interpretations, but the idea is that omdim is that it somehow represented the Jewish people, that the Jewish people will always be standing, meaning even if the temple will be destroyed, nevertheless, the people themselves will play a role in being the counterpart to the spiritual, in order to be able to allow the Jewish people to exist, to continue existing. And who are the people? So there's two explanations. One explanation is that it refers to the tzaddikim, the righteous people, as the verse says, "Tzaddik tamar yifrach ke'erez ba'avan niska." They will be like cedar trees, or they will be like date trees, but they will be shesulim bebeis Hashem. They will be planted in the homes of Hashem. V'chatzes elokeni africhu, and they will sprout forth in the courtyards of our God. Meaning, even if the temple gets destroyed, we still have the righteous people of this world. The righteous people of this world will still always be erect, and it will be through their merit that we will continue to exist. However, there's another explanation that I want to share with you from Tzaddik HaKohen Rabinowitz of Lublin, and he explains that the krushim, the planks, actually refer to the Bali Tshuva, those who at one point sinned and have now made their return. The incredible merit that they have of being an assimilated Jew and finding their way back to Hashem is an unparalleled merit for the Jewish people. To be able to be so entrenched in one way of life and to shut all that off in the name of truth and coming back to Hashem, that in itself is a tremendous, tremendous merit for the Jewish people. So whether a person was completely assimilated, or whether a person was possibly born religious but nevertheless wasn't close enough in his Torah observance as much as he could be or as much as she could be, nevertheless, if a person becomes that Baal Tshuva, it is in their merit that the Jewish people to continue to exist. So God willing by me, God willing by you all, whoever is listening, you count, Hashem needs you. In a certain sense, then you're like the tzaddikim, you're like the righteous who we mentioned before. That is great company to be in. And so you keep doing whatever you can, I'll do what I can. Together, hopefully, we'll see the actual rebuilding of the Mishkan, of the tabernacle, and the Beis HaMikdash, the third Beis HaMikdash, speedily in our days. Thank you for listening. Have an amazing, amazing Shabbos.